So you're watching Awesomeness, people. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow all of our social media accounts. And it's Novaya here. So yeah, this is us going to the restaurant Anna's Pizzeria. So yay! It was the restaurant that my brother chose for his birthday. And by the way, Anna's Pizzeria is delicious. I'm so excited for Anna's Pizzeria. We are now currently walking to Anna's Pizzeria to get some pizza for us. Pizza is delicious. Yeah, so delicious. As you can tell, I love pizza. Yes, pizza is the best thing in the world. Yeah, there's my Anna's Pizzeria logo. I decide what I should get to eat. Everything is so good here. Decided to get some mozzarella sticks, Sprite, and white pizza. So yeah, so delicious. Finally walking out of the Anna's. I'm sorry I couldn't get any shots of the pizza, but it was white pizza and it was so good. I loved it so much. So yeah, I'm leaving Anna's Pizzeria. Yay! I'm so full. I actually have to take a stop at Home Depot to get a few things. So we're here at Home Depot getting stuff. The stuff is cool. The stuff is awesome. So yeah, and we're still pretty full, but you know, what can you do about it? Can't really do anything about it. So yeah, pizza, and then Home Depot. Yeah, it was the best. Yeah. We drove to Walmart to get my brother's birthday present for him. He's getting 2 birthday presents and his limit is $50. So, yeah. You go, Kyan. Shout out to you. We're taking a stop at PetSmart to look at some kitties. Because once we move, maybe I could get a kitty, and I really love kitties. OMG. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. These haters wanna stop. They tripping like whoa, we chilling like snow. Let it go, let it go. So shake those pom-poms. If you know you the pom-pom, I can't hear you. Too busy starting on. Arrived back at my house. So I guess thank you guys for watching. And like I said before, like this video, subscribe down below, and follow our Instagram accounts, me and Gianna's. So thank you guys, and happy birthday to you, Kyan. So yeah. See you guys later, I guess. So, yeah. Bye.